Hi everyone, about a minute on offshore wind running aground again. Last week, the Spanish company Avangrid announced it was delaying a project called Commonwealth Wind. This was a big project, 1,200 megawatts of offshore wind, and the company said the project is no longer viable. This shouldn't be a surprise at all. The history of offshore wind in America has just been a history of hype and more hype and more hype. I remember it was 2011 when the Secretary of Interior, Ken Salazar, in the Obama administration said the Obama administration had set a goal of 10 gigawatts, that's 10,000 megawatts of offshore wind by 2020, and 54 gigawatts by 2030. Well, where are we today? We have exactly 30 megawatts, only one project, the Block Island project. So we're roughly 9,970 megawatts short of the goal that was laid out 11 years ago. So why isn't offshore wind growing? Well, first, it's crazy expensive. The Department of Energy's own numbers show this, that generating power from offshore wind is the single most expensive way of producing power. In my view, the only thing dumber than onshore wind is offshore wind. And these projects are expensive because doing anything in saltwater just adds cost. Second, they have to attach these massive structures to the ocean floor, which is expensive. So none of this should be surprising at all. And Avangrid, it's interesting to read what the company said. They said the project is being delayed because of, I'm quoting here, sharp and sudden increases in interest rates, prolonged supply chain constraints, and persistent inflation. And it said it wouldn't move forward unless regulators agreed to pay them yet more money for the power this proposed project is going to produce. And I haven't yet mentioned two other important factors, that these offshore wind projects on the East Coast are proposed to be put right in the middle of commercial fishing grounds. The commercial fishing industry, including the Long Island Commercial Fishing Association and others, adamantly opposed to these projects because of what they could do to their commercial fishing zones. And then finally, many of these projects are proposed to be put right in the middle of the habitat of the North Atlantic right whale, which is a critically endangered whale. So I'm actually pleased to hear that these projects are being delayed, and not surprised at all, because again, the history of the offshore wind industry in the United States has been a lot of hype, and this cancellation or delay is no surprise at all. Okay, enough on that. Thanks for tuning in. Check the link on my bio, like, share, follow for more energy and power content. See ya.